Yo, what's the deal, YT? Man, what's going on, man? This video right here about my personal little vehicle, 79 Vert Cutlass. Uh, right now, what I'm bringing to y'all, man, I'm just finna show y'all. I'm finna rebuild this whole car over. Finna take the ugly ass seats out. I already started. I'm taking the door panels out. I'm gonna wrap them. See, I got them out, and I gotta do some welding on that door, and I got that joint had like a whole lot of body work on it. Let me go around here and show y'all, man. Look at all that bundo on that door. I took a flathead and a hammer, and man, I just got to going at it. They put a whole lot of pinholes inside of here. I was trying to find me another door. A dude probably like 2.5 hours away. He out about $350 just for a door. I don't know. When people tell me prices like that, man, I just go on ahead and work that thing out myself. And the fenders and stuff was sliced all the way up because it had 28s on it. As you can see, I already put metal back in place, made the fender look back factory. And you got a little cutting right there, but I'm gonna put 24s on. Once I get painted, you know what I'm saying, everything else gonna blend in. And I took the front cap off in the bumper because it had an LS in it, but I couldn't get the LS to stop falling on his face. And you can see I busted all that, but I'm gonna take all that out and I'm gonna put a plate right there. And I'm gonna try to go vintage AC on it. From the start, I told myself, man, I wasn't gonna get that deep with this car. I was just gonna bolt it up, get it running, swing it. But you know what I'm saying, I gotta do something with it. I told myself I'm gonna go ahead and get it in. Like, I'm gonna take all this out. I had this one, I had the LS swap in here. But I already got a truck and everything with a nice Vortec in it, transmission and all that. Everything good. It's my personal truck. Like I said, I'm just selling parts on my personal truck, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the engine and trans in it because I already know where it comes from and what it got going. Smooth, no shaking, no nothing. It's just right perfect. I'm just gonna order everything I need to put it up in here, the intake, and I'm getting a brand new carburetor and long tube headers. That's why I say I don't really want to just be racing like that. I just want nice clean runs, some bump in the trunk, and I just want to ride. That tire right there going flat. Let y'all see that thing. Good old Vert, man. So I'm taking down the taking out the interior now. I'm finna rebuild the whole inside. That motherfucker got leather for the floors. I'm taking all that out. And I'm putting black carpet in here. I'm going straight black with everything. Black in the dash out. Everything you see, red going black. And I'm gonna wrap that armrest right there for that console. Redo that console all over. That's why I said why I ain't got the motor and trans. I'm just gonna focus on getting everything up out of here and rebuilding everything. So that's my goal with the Cutlass. You know what I'm saying? The bumpers and stuff like that painted. So when I go my color, I'm going all black on it. But like I said, you just stay tuned with me. You're gonna see the process of this car, me building and stuff like that. And I got the door panels right there. Had some red leather wrapped in it. I'm just going all black, everything. And I don't know what this is, y'all. Y'all know what this is? Let me know. When I popped the trunk on it, had this back there. And it looked like a seat track or some shit. I don't know if they had that back there for the top, but I don't think they did because the motor is back there. And everything's still hooked up, it's just not wired up. So it just let down manual right now. And I ain't pretty much worried about it. But yeah, I traded my drop top SS Monte Carlo for this car. But I did it only on the behalf that it had a LS in it. It's the only reason why I traded it. But it's all good. Shit, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the food with this one. Bring this one out. See, these seats disgusting, man. So I'm finna take everything out. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm doing this morning. So I'm finna go ahead and do this, and then I cut y'all back on, man, with the next, what I do with it. So y'all just stay locked. One. Yo, what's going on, tube? It's the later part of the day. Still on the Cutlass right now. And what I did, man, I went and bought me some wire wheels and grinding pad. And I grinded this whole bundle down that it had on there. And check out all these holes. Like them up been shot by a shotgun or something. But what I've been actually thinking about, gang, is I'm thinking about taking it from right here I'm gonna draw me a line, like a nice little square box. Come all the way like this right here, and just come up just like that. And I'm gonna try to stop like right before where it bend it right there. And I'm gonna cut all that out. And then I got plenty of metal over there. And what I was gonna do, I was gonna grind the metal down from the new metal that I got, and I was just gonna place it on here and weld it in. You know what I'm saying? So I won't have to use all this fiberglass and Bundo and shit. Cause whoever had did body work on here, man, must have been a child or something. Like, look at all this, man. Look how thick this is. This don't make no sense. Trying to hide this body work and using this much Bundo. Let me see if it's straightened up. Look, it's all on the ground down there. It's just too much, man. But I busted it down. I think this like really all the body work that's on the car really was the main thing was this door. So that's what I'm really dialing in on right now. And like I said, the body shop will just fix the rest. But I'm gonna go ahead and make it easy on them and just get the hard work out the way. And I took the little trimming off right here. Also, I stripped down everything in the inside, man. I know it look real wet right now, but I got me some black spray. I'm gonna try to get me a shop vac, and I'm gonna clean up everything in the inside. I took the old carpet out, got it sitting back there, and it was originally brown. And the red leather that they had, I went on and threw that in the garbage, man. And like I just got a seat sitting there for test right now. I'm not putting those in, but I just got it sitting in there just trying to see something. But I still gotta break down all this red and dash and take that little stuff out right there. This right here kind of cracked up a little bit. I'm gonna try to save it though. Paint it black. Paint everything black. I got the door panels already off, as you can see. I got it stuffed in the trunk. So, I mean, I've been working a little bit today. And I got a little piece in the inside I gotta weld too, because it's constantly rocking back and forward, I guess from when it got hit way back in the day. But man, it's some of the worst stuff I ever seen. I mean, I actually did this before, you know what I'm saying, because I didn't have the stud puller or none of that. But this actually just too much, guy. It's just too much, man. And I don't really want to deal with it. I can take some fiberglass, smoothen it, finesse it, but it's not gonna be right. I'ma always know what it got going up underneath. So I'm thinking about just cutting this out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put me another piece of metal up in there, weld it up in there, tack weld it real good up in there, grind it down, and hell, I'm gonna sand the whole door down. And then when I do that, like the little hole right there, that's cool. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the little fiberglass what I need, shape everything like I want, and hell, I'll be all right. I got a small hole. That's my fault, gang. Drop my damn camera. But got a little small hole right there too. I'm gonna repair that. It's already down to bare metal. But yeah, I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man. I'm finna probably go on here cut this thing out. Hell, it ain't no way I can mess up on it. Like I said, I'm not a body man by far, but I'm gonna do the best I can, man, to get this thing to look good. But y'all just stay rocking and rolling, man. The quarters look okay. Quarters good, there's no Bundo built up. This right here, man, you can just actually see it. And there was one thing that irritated me about this car, seeing all that Bundo caked up like that. They just used it. They just used and abused it, man, trying to hide this. They just put way too much on. I can't believe that they approved it and put paint on it. But yeah, I'm gonna cut y'all off, man. I cut y'all back on when I'm rocking and rolling with this thing. I'm gonna probably go and cut it on out real quick before it get dark. And that's what I got going. I cut y'all back on when it's in. One. Alright, I'm back. Got this thing cut out. Here it go right here. So I'm doing away with this right here, man. I'm not putting this back on. And it's about the same grade of metal that I'm about to go with. I'm about to go get that and cut that out now. Trace everything out, but I need that size right there. I want it to go right in with this right here. And we're gonna spot weld that thing on up in there. And we're gonna do what we do.
Like I said, I ain't feel like doing all that body work. Well, yeah, let me go ahead and do what I gotta do, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in 1 second and get all this stuff up out of here, man. There's plenty of junk up in this car. See, this the thing I was talking about. It's a little spot down there that it ruled against. When you push it forward, I was gonna put about a couple tacks on it so it never move again. Cause when you drive, you just hear it. When you close the door, that's what you hear right there. And just move and groove. But nevertheless, man, I'm finna go and do what I gotta do right quick and put this new sheet metal in and get this dough right, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, I'm back. I got my panel out that I had wanted to cut. I already traced everything out. And I already actually fitted it in, man. I forgot one thing when I was at Harbor Freight earlier. I forgot to get some magnets, the ones that hold the metal in place. But I'm gonna try my best, man, to weld it up in there. I probably don't do it till tomorrow because it's getting kind of late now. So I'm just happy that I got this cut out. And plus I said I gotta grind all this down to bare metal. But I think this thing got a little bundle on. This came from like a SS Monte Carlo, a real A1 one. But it shouldn't have that much bundle on it. But I think it just got it on there just to, you know what I'm saying, smooth everything out, just to get all the little nicks and stuff. But it's way better than this. As you can see, I already got it marked, top, left, right, and bottom. And I just put it in there, so everything match up perfect. Probably just got like a little couple, like I said, it still got Dynamat on it. So a lot of it come in play too, so. But I got a couple of magnets, but they not as strong as the ones I would like to have. But I think I probably just go piece for piece. Like get the top, structure it in real good, then hit the sides, just work my way. I ain't gonna be too fast, I'm gonna be patient with it. But I'm happy that I got this cut out so I can feel a little sigh of relief. Hell, I don't gotta do all this damn shit right here. So I'm about to go ahead and, I don't know, probably go and grind it down. I guess go and grind it down real quick, and then I just come back at it in the morning and weld this thing on up in there, and I just cut y'all back on when I get it welded in. So y'all just hold tight, man, and just stay posted. One. YT, what's going on, man? YT. Next morning, I'm back. Welded the panel in. I started last night before it got dark. I couldn't really see like that. I know it need a little working out, but this is like a rough draft. You know what I'm saying? Got it butted up, welded. Got a little gap right here, but I'm gonna fix all that. I'm gonna let it be big welds, and then I'm gonna grind them all down. It's still kind of hot. I'm gonna let them be big welds, and I'm gonna grind them all down. And of course, I know I'm gonna still have to put a filler on it, because I'm not doing extreme body work on the car. You know what I'm saying? Metal work and all that. I'm just doing what I can do. The body shop gonna do the worst. And like I said, I'm gonna grind all that down. I got me a wire brush, and I'm gonna get all that surface rough down, and then I'm gonna grind all the wheels down and kind of perfect it a little bit. I might plug that hole up. I might do that right now, actually. Plug that hole up, and I would go ahead and do a little fiberglass in the day. You know, get some of my body work already marked up, but I'm trying to see how much I got. I don't know if I need to run to the store and get some more. But let me let y'all see that thing. See it like that. Let me come from this side right here. Straight up and down. Straight up and down with it. I know I said, I know it ain't perfect, but it'll do way better than that. Way better than having this on your car, man. So, but this is what I got going on right now. See, I kind of rigged me something up so I can push my metal out so I can weld. Just thinking of something. That's really why the door won't close. 1 second. Yeah. So I got the patch panel up in there now. all I'm finna do now is just go ahead and weld everything up, weld all my gap holes up, strengthen it up more and more. Then I'm gonna go back through and grind all my welds down and start the body work process. Cause I still see like right up in this area right here, under the keyhole, it's still like a lot of little small dents. I wish I could have made me a panel that could have stretched and yike it down some to avoid out of it. But I say ain't nothing but some small little dents. So that's all I gotta do right now, gang. Got that panel up in there, feel a lot better. And that piece I told you I was gonna weld, I went on and did that too. As you can hear, let me shake my dough. Hear that thing ain't making no noise no more. So I went up inside of here. I don't know if you can see it, like right up in there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Yeah, right up in there. Try to get some focus. But it ain't focusing. But the bar that's up inside of here, that bar right there, I had went on and welded it. So it can stop doing all that making noise and stuff, man. Especially when you ride. Make sure I weld the top and bottom, just in case wear and tear happen over the years and stuff like that. But for the most part, that thing up in there though, let me look at it straight up and down, straight from the side. It ain't no budging. No, I said it's just gonna have to just get swiped with some body work. I ain't really tripping about that. That was the only thing about the car that had body work like that. The rest of the car can just be sanded down and probably just swipe in certain places. Well, I said I'm still waiting. I had met a guy yesterday. I'm gonna take the vortex out that truck. He said he gonna take it out for me, 2 to 3 hours. Clean up everything up under the engine bay, paint what I need to paint. And I'm gonna try to have this thing up in here, man, before February out. I wanted to do it before Valentine's Day this year, but I gotta see. I can still do it, but the only thing that's stopping me is down to one vehicle right now. Because if I take that out, then I won't have nothing else to drive. I would try to get my low key up and running, but it need a part on it. And I ain't got time to be working on cars right now. So that's why I probably let the dude gonna take the motor out, let him take it out. So he got everything at the house, so I ain't gonna sweat that. And he got a whole lot of parts for the Vortex there. And the crazy thing is, you know, when this car had an LS in it, he was telling me he could have tuned it for me. Man, but I already knew I was making a mistake taking that thing up out of there. But like I said, it'll come to me when it's time. That's why I'm not even gonna trip about the LS swap right now. I got it flash and stuff like that, but couldn't get it tuned where I can just ride it like I want. And plus, you know what I'm saying, I didn't do the swap, so the swap was it was just piece by piece. So I really wasn't rocking with it. I'm gonna do a nice clean build on this car, and we're gonna get it in, man. Y'all just stay tuned in with your boy, One Touch Customs, and what I got going on right now. So I cut y'all back on, man. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. And hell, we're gonna sign out for right now. But I cut y'all back on when I get this thing body worked up and ready for the paint shop. Y'all stay posted.